You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce the name of this Hebrew prophet, this name from the Bible? There are two slightly different ways of pronouncing it indeed. Nahum, Nahum, with an H pronounced. Some also say it as Nahum, Nahum, with a silent H, which I believe is the more Hebrew pronunciation, Nahum. But in English, Nahum is how it is said. Nahum. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.